Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to easy outline text in Adobe Photoshop. So we start with our text tool. You can hit on T on the keyboard to bring your text, or you can bring your text from this angle. So we're going to write our text. So we put in our text, New York State, and we hit Ctrl T on the keyboard. We hit Ctrl T on the keyboard to bring our text in the middle, and also we can reduce the text. So now we'll bring the text in the middle. So you can see that there is no button here that can create this effect which can outline any text. So even if you come to the panel, the character panel, you can see it here. So we're going to learn about that. So when you come here, you can see here we have opacity that brings down the text, and we have this fill here that totally take out the fill of the text. So we're going to make use of these two buttons. So now you just right click here and come to blending mode, blending options, and I'm going to create stroke. So I'm going to create a red stroke, then we hit OK. We come back here and bring down our fill to 0 total. So now you can see that we've outlined our text. We can go back to the effect panel and play with the text here. You can see this inside. You can position the text, the outline, so we can use the outside. We can also bring it inside, and remember, you can increase the opacity. When you increase it too much, it can bring back the fill, so you take it to a smaller proportion. You can come here and change the color. You can change it to any color, green to red. So you can change it to color. You can change it to any color. Now we can bring the opacity down. You can also do blending, and we're going to leave that for a different video. So we hit OK. This is how text outline is created in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share the videos that I will get motivated to bring you more. Thank you very much for watching.